Hello y'all, this is Timothy. I'm back. Just wanted to show y'all this thing about the Gumball machine. That Vendmaster Pro that I had showed before. It's two machines together. They're red. You can probably kind of see that, but the quality's kind of dark. But so going to there's a place that I think will be able to take it. What I've heard, I'm planning to replace this set with the single one that I've showed before. At that hot dog place, I want to do that. Put this at that same place and then take that machine out. It's just that single one, and place it somewhere else. I do have one possibility that they said might be able to take it, so see about that. But so yeah, I'm just gonna do a couple things to kind of go ahead and prepare, because I can hopefully be able to take this tomorrow. Yeah, just the next day. And then go through there. So we got the gumballs right here. So I put some more cherry in it, along with some of these. That's already what I have some in there. Painters. There's that a little bit. It says cover your mouth with flavor. I'll probably cut out that label and show it. So. And yeah, it's it's a good idea to be putting some gloves or something else for your hand while you're handling these things and moving them around. Take the chair with you. I'll do these two, or maybe three. This. I might actually hold off on this one, because just at that place they've been selling out pretty slowly, not quite so much. So I'll put these ones in the machine that I'm using right now. I mean, if I can get it to add somewhere else and see what to do. I mean, go ahead and put the lid on. Get it shut, obviously. This one is designed for capsule, or one inch capsule, or like these toy balls and stuff, things that I got. These are also from candymachines.com. I found, and there's that label for it. I think. Yeah, I can. Oh wait, hold on. Yeah, open this thing up. Alright. So yeah, I think I'll put some of those in there. I'll first get this label on here for that machine. I think I'll go ahead and do that. Alright, so I got the label right here with its tape over here. I'm going to tape it inside there. Yeah. I guess it'll be wrinkled a tiny bit, but it's not too bad. And I think I'll put a very cherry maybe right by there. Let me see. Alright, I got the very cherry on there too, that label from cut out from there. Okay, now I'll put some of these in here. So just see there's a lot of different things. This thing, there's a whistle. Says that's how I roll. We had a ladybug thing. A couple others. Continue putting more on. I think it might be now I could put this thing on label. Alright, I got it on there. I had to fold it slightly up because it wasn't quite tall enough or whatever. I think it's mostly intended for the square kinds, but okay, got it through there. Yeah. Got this whistle that I used, and it is. You don't have to put your mouth on it, I don't think. Not really. Okay. Alright. Yeah, that one went somewhere. But, okay, so yeah, if it's all like that, I'll both test both of them out real quick. There's a quarter. Alright, here's a gumball. Try this one now. Alright, you got that ball. Alright, and again. again. Oh, that didn't sound right. It's like one of it didn't work that time. Let me try it again. Alright, that's good. So might look green, but it's really blue. Oh, some of y'all. Okay, well, thank y'all for watching. I'll show y'all again soon. I mean, an update on this if I can, maybe. Yeah, alright. Alright, yep, y'all have a great day.